5 incredible websites you've never discovered before. Looking for your next great film, but tired of sifting through endless streaming options? agoodmovietowatch.com is here to simplify your search. This gem of a website offers meticulously curated recommendations for movies and TV shows across various genres and streaming platforms. Whether you're in the mood for a hidden indie gem, a critically acclaimed classic, or something off the beaten path, A Good Movie to Watch provides thoughtful suggestions that cater to diverse tastes. With its easy-to-navigate interface and insightful reviews, this site is your go-to resource for discovering your next favorite watch without the usual hassle. Need a fictional name for a story, a game, or perhaps a new online persona? Fake Name Generator FakeNameGenerator.com is your ultimate tool for crafting realistic and creative identities. This innovative website generates detailed, lifelike names complete with background information such as addresses, phone numbers, and even occupation details. Whether you're writing a novel, designing characters for a role-playing game, or just having fun with digital personas, Fake Name Generator provides a plethora of options to suit any scenario. With its user-friendly interface and customizable settings, finding the perfect fake identity has never been easier or more entertaining. Looking to snag the best deals on Amazon but want to avoid impulse buys? CamelCamelCamel.com is the go-to resource for savvy shoppers seeking to track price changes and find the best time to buy. This powerful tool provides detailed price history charts and alerts for millions of Amazon products, allowing you to see trends, set price drop notifications, and make informed purchasing decisions. Whether you're hunting for tech gadgets, home essentials, or anything in between, CamelCamelCamel helps you ensure you're getting the best possible price. With its easy-to-use interface and comprehensive tracking, this website is an indispensable asset for anyone looking to maximize their savings on Amazon. Ever wanted to look like a tech wizard effortlessly typing out complex code? HackerTyper.net is the ultimate website for transforming anyone into a keyboard ninja, even if you're not a programming guru. With just a few keystrokes, HackerTyper generates a flurry of realistic-looking code on your screen, making it appear as though you're hacking away at an elaborate project. Perfect for adding a touch of tech-savvy flair to your presentations, pranking friends, or simply having a bit of fun. This site offers an entertaining way to simulate coding magic with minimal effort. Dive in and watch as your typing turns into a dazzling display of hacker prowess. Need a temporary email address to avoid spam, or sign up for a service without using your primary email? 10minutemail.com is your quick and easy solution. This website provides you with a disposable email address that expires in just 10 minutes, helping you protect your privacy and keep your inbox clutter-free. Perfect for one-time registrations, testing online services, or safeguarding your main email from unwanted junk. 10-Minute Mail ensures you can handle short-term email needs without hassle. With its straightforward interface and immediate functionality, it's a practical tool for maintaining your digital privacy and convenience.